Hello everyone. This class we are going to learn mass media, nature, characteristic and function of mass media. Mass media refers to the institution that provides us messages, newspapers, magazines, television, radio, film, multimedia websites. The term used for the specific institutions of mass media such as radio networks and television stations and the internet. Some of the important characteristics. The source of mass communication message generally is a person or a group operating with an organizational setting. Examples of these sources are news reporters, television producers, and magazines editors. Mass media messages are sophisticated and complex, whereas the message in the interpersonal communication may be simple words and short sentences. Mass media messages are quite elaborate. Examples of mass media messages are news report, a novel, a movie, a television program, a magazine articles, a newspaper. Channels of mass media, also called mass vehicles, involve one or more aspect of technology. Radio, for example, involves tap machines, microphones, devices that digitalize the sound waves, transmitters that disseminate them, and receiving units and decoded the sound waves and render them back into audio from the approximate original. Audiences generally are self-selected. People who tune into particular television or who read a particular magazines. Mass audiences are also heterogeneous, meaning that they are both large and diverse. They actually are made up of a group of people with dissimilar background and socio-political characteristics. They are spread over the vast geographic area. One characteristic of mass media is that the audience members essentially remain anonymous. Four basic functions of mass media: surveillance, interpretation, socialization, entertainment. Surveillance refers to the news and information role of mass media. This role can be subdivided into warning surveillance associated with the news media and instrumental surveillance associated with both news and popular media. Surveillance information also can come from books, films, television program and other types of literary culture that provides information on human issues. Interpretation is the function of mass media that provides a context for new information and commentary about its significance and meaning. Traditionally, newspapers provide such interpretation in their editorial and commentary section, reserving new pages for supposedly neutral information. If interpretation is the function, persuasion is the motivation for the producer of the such messages. The media also have a role in socialization, the transmission of values within a society, particularly modeling of appropriate behavior and attitude. The notion is that the mass media present images of society which viewers then can learn and adapt for themselves. Their effectiveness is evident in the similarity of youth culture throughout the world, in which the only common influence is provided by the media. Entertainment is related function of mass media, sometimes called the diversion function because it diverts us from the real world. Entertainment always has been a part of society, increasingly so in an age in which more people have a greater amount of leisure time. Through sound recording, film, radio and television, entertainment have been able to attract audiences around the globe. Painters, sculptors and poets reach mass audiences through the books and magazines. The entertainment functions of mass media has been subdivided into three categories: stimulation as an antidote to boredom, relaxation as a part of an soothing. Folk and traditional media. Folk media is the creative dissemination of information through the culture and performance arts. In traditional societies, folk media, dramas, skits, poems, stories, riddles, songs, and dance have been popularly successfully used to disseminate messages and even pass on wisdom of older generation to the youth. Characteristics. Folk and traditional media have some salient features. Their appeal is at personal and intimate level. Cross-cultural communication hurdles are not encountered here. Rampart is immediate and direct, available to all and sundry and enjoyed by persons of different age groups. Its impact is much deeper, very useful for community development. They belong to the community and not to the individual. No threat of cultural colonization. Local talent and localized messages would have more credibility than those centralized ones. These media are comparatively cheap, acceptably culturally relevant entertainment value, localized language, reputation, ability, instant two-way communication, etc. is among their virtues. With printing and publication, the print technology, a new reading public emerged. Books become cheaper because of printing. Numerous copies would be now produced with much ease. This helped in catering to an ever-growing leadership. Access to books increased for the public. This helped in creating a new culture of reading. Print created an opportunity of new debate and discussion. People began questioning some established notion of the religion. For the Orthodox people, it was like a challenge as they feared the disturbance in world order. There are vast leap in mass literacy in Europe in the 19th century. They brought large number of the new readers among children, women and works. All the innovation has a cumulative effect which improved the appearance of printed text. Electronic media. Nowadays, another very popular means of social interaction and propagation that has emerged along with the print media is the rise of electronic media. The birth of electronic media took place with the invention of radio. Through the radio, voice traveled and reached every nook and corner of the world. Owning in radio becomes a symbol of pride and social status. Television, which was a revolution in itself, the whole gets shrunk into the one room of the house. On September 15, 1959, 2000 was inaugurated in India with the introduction of the cable television 1993. Electronic media has emerged as the greatest social force than ever. Television now has in not only every home but every sphere of life. If used judiciously, the electronic media can prove to be a very useful educationally as well as socially, politically and economically. Electronic media can be used as a powerful media to spread social awareness among the illiterate masses against various social evils. Electronic media like the internet or cinema, which are fast growing and are extremely popular, it plays a great constructive role in help build up the social and cultural infrastructure of the nation if wisely within the limits of the decency and intellectuality. Radio broadcasting was pioneered in India by the Madras Presidency Club Radio in 1924. The club worked a broadcasting service for 3 years, but owing to financial difficulties gave it up to 1927. The same year, some enterprising businessmen in Bombay started the Indian Broadcasting Company with a station at Bombay and Calcutta. This company failed in 1930s and in 1932 the government of India took over broadcasting. Broadcasting constitutes the most powerful medium of mass communication in India. It is important as a medium of information and education is particularly great in vast and developing countries like India where the reach of the printed word is not very wide or deep. Television. The history of television in India started around later 50s. Television in India was introduced in September 15, 1959 in Delhi when UNESCO gave the Indian government $2,000 and 180 Philips TV sets. The programs were broadcast twice a week for an hour a day on such topics as community health, citizen duties, rights and traffic, road signs. In 1961, the broadcast was extended to include school educational television projects. There were initially 2 points. The first two events triggered the rapid growth of television in the 80s. Inset IA, the first of the country's domestic communication satellites. became operational and made possible the networking of all the 2000 regional station. For the first time, 2000 orientation a national-wide feed doubled the national program, which was feed from Delhi to the other station. In November 1982, the country hosted the Asian Games, and the government introduced a color broadcasting for the coverage of the games. Films. The cinema of India consists of film produced across India. The cinema as the medium gained popularity in the country. Dada Sakeb Phalke is the father of Indian cinema. The award for lifetime contribution to cinema was introduced in his honor by Government of India in 1969, the most prestigious coveted award in Indian cinema. India is the world's largest producer of films. By 2003, as many 30 film production companies has been listed in the National Stock Exchange of India, making the commercial presence of medium felt. Although developed independency for a long period of time, cross exchanges of film performance. Cyberspace. As a social experience, individuals can interact, exchange ideas, share information, provide social support, contact business, direct action, create artistic media, play games, engage in political discussion, and so on. Using this global network, the term cyberspace has become a conventional means to describe anything associated with the internet and the diverse internet as culture. Among individual and cyber space, there is believed to be a code shared rules and ethics multitude financial for all follow referred to as a cyber ethics. Virtual communication is conducted through emails, chat rooms, forums, and other virtual applications. Many people communicate virtually right through their phone. Virtual communication is written for the most part, but there are other forms of virtual communication that are more personal. It is characterized by being able to send messages despite the availability of the recipient. It is also more often written and lacks emotion and nuance that are evident when someone in person. Wording, structure a document, agronomies, emotion, aspects of virtual communications. Internet. The Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard Internet protocol suites to serve billion users worldwide. It is a network of networks that consist of millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks of local to global scope. The Internet has created a new forms of social interaction and social relation, including social network websites such as Facebook, MySpace, etc. Though virtual communication were once thought to be composed of strictly visual social ties, researchers often find that even those social ties formed in virtual space are often maintained both online and offline. A blog is a discussion or information site published in the World Wide Web and consists of discrete entries typically displayed in reverse chronological order. Until 2009, it were usually the work of single individual, occasionally a small group, and often covered a single subject. More recently, multi-author blogs have developed with posts written large number of authors and professionally edited. The emergence of growth of blogs in the late 90s coined with the advent of web publishing tools that facilitated the posting of content by non-technical users.